now we are going to move Tony's hair. Remove it. We can use some citrus. You can use any remover. You put on a spray bottle like this. What you do is you spray around the edge of the system. Try to start from the back of the system. You always want to pull the direction of the hair, not the opposite, because then it's gonna hurt. And as you coming up little by little, slowly remove it. So for clients who are very active, removing the hair is very easy because the heat from the body and the sweating will melt the adhesive, so it's very easy to remove. And now we are going to wash his head. Sometimes for a better result, it's good to use the towel, remove some of the glue out of your head. Using alcohol is also very good. You can remove this with alcohol also. You want to make sure that everything is clean before you're applying another tape or glue or anything. We check again if there is anything left. Okay, so we just washed Tony's hair, and I'm going to show you how to prepare the scalp. First, what we do is we apply some alcohol. This will get rid of the oil from the scalp. And now we're going to mark the reason why we're marking the hair is because we want to make sure exactly where to apply the glue. So we make sure the hairline is nice and straight. And we want to make sure our marks are accurate and it's even. You don't want to put the hair system crooked. You want to make sure it's in the center and even on both sides.